Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This twin-cylinder, fuel-injected sport bike was just acquired with only 3,600 miles. Beautiful metallic sparkle black. This is the updated Ninja. Replaced the 300. It's got 10 more horsepower and it's 25 pounds lighter. Way superior to the Ninja 300. Fantastic first bike. Make your motorcycle dreams come true. This gorgeous Ninja. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.